Welcome to Gavin's oil painting tips. In this video, I'm going to show you how I mix my dark tones for a tree, which have more of a warm presence to it. I start with taking some linseed oil and ultramarine blue. I mix in some red and a little bit of dark umber. And in that case, there was a little white in there, so it made it violet. So I added more blue to darken it down again. And then I'll add a little bit of orange, or in this case, cadmium yellow, after adding some linseed oil. You could also use a little turpentine, but I find it dulls out the paint as it is paint thinner and doesn't really add to the luster of the paint. I like using this method a lot more than just painting with an umber right out of the tube. It gives the painting a lot more depth and interest. I can go into the tree and start pulling lights out of the very darks and creating branches with different size brushes. You can also hue it out with white and a little bit of yellow or orange, just to create depth where you want it, as I'm doing here. I'm breaking up the tree's darks. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe.